Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest cheesecake. Just combine all the ingredients and bake. It's gluten-free and protein-packed. We need 80 grams of corn grits. It's advisable to take not flour but grits. We need such a coarse grinding. Add 80 grams of protein. And add sweetener. It's totally up to you. Mix dry ingredients thoroughly. Add 350 grams of organic Ryazhenka or liquid yogurt. Stir until the lumps disappear. Add 2 eggs and teaspoon of natural vanilla extract. Mix thoroughly. You can use absolutely any form. I have a pastry ring with a foil bottom and a circle of baking paper inside. I pour the dough and I bake it for about an hour. The cheesecake is ready. To get just such a caramel crust, you need to turn on the convection mode from the top and the end of baking. Remove the foil and baking paper circle. We take out the cheesecake with a knife. We cut it. See what magic happened in the baking process. The dough has split into a corn layer and a protein layer. Plus a delicious caramel crust appeared on top. You'd be surprised how the protein layer is like the cheese layer of baked cheesecake. This is delicious. Too easy to make for such a layered cake. One such piece contains about 13 grams of protein and only 125 calories. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.